Pump installation and operation. This is brief about my profile. A pump is a device that moves liquid or gases or sometimes slurries by mechanical action in a particular direction. A pump is designed to transfer fluid from one point to another, from low pressure areas to higher pressure areas, from lower elevation to higher elevation, from local locations to distant locations. Uses of pumps are for irrigation, water supply, gasoline, chemical plant, sewerage movement, flood control, marine services, etc. Classification of pumps. There are positive displacement pumps and dynamic pumps. Under the positive displacement pump, reciprocating and rotary, single rotor, multi-rotor are under the rotary pumps. And reciprocating are piston pumps, plunger, gear, loops. In the dynamic category, there are centrifugal, axial, and mixed flow. So these are different types of pumps used for different viscosity of fluids. Pump system contains five basic components: pumps, prime movers, piping, valves, and use equipment. Pump installation steps are mounting of pump onto a base frame, installation and alignment of coupling, connecting the pipes to the pumps, electrical connections, starting up. So these are the steps one has to follow for the pump installation. So it needs practical experience how to fix the pump on the frame, to do the shaft alignment by dial indicator method or by laser method, and connect the pipes. Electrical connection must be checked and starting up before all done. Now, brief of pump installation. Mounting of pump onto a base frame. The pump unit must be provided with a shared base frame made of steel or cast iron or a welded steel profile frame. This base frame must be placed on a foundation which can withstand all loads that arise during operation. Installation and alignment of coupling. Inspect all coupling components and move any protective coating or lubricant from boards, mating surfaces, keyways, and fasteners. Remove any existing burrs, etc. from pump motor shafts and keys. A coupling is correctly aligned if a straight edge laid across both coupling halves parallel to the shaft maintains the same distance from the shaft at all points around its circumference. Connecting the pipes to the pump. Pipes must be properly designed and size selection so that liquid can flow freely. Check that check valves are installed and suction pipes are airtight and net positive suction head NPSH values are observed. Perform the pipe testing procedures. Before the starting of pump drivers in the electrical connection, check that the motor rating information, the power supply cable according with the wiring diagram, check for any loose electrical connections. Starting up. For oil lubricating pumps, open oil drain and drain off any liquid that have been collected, and the level should be at the middle of the oil level side glass. Pump startup steps. Pump and suction pipe must be filled with water, liquid. Turn the pump unit once by hand and check the direction of rotation. Check the coupling guard installed properly. Open isolation valve in suction side. Open any coolant lines present in the pump system, set the discharge side isolation valve or approximate 25% of rated capacity. When it reaches the normal operating speed, then open the discharge valve. If the pump does not reach the required head, or if an abnormal sound heard or vibration occur, then switch off the pump, then check the cause. For different type of pumps, for different fluids, viscosities, different applications, pumps are used, positive displacement and dynamic type of pumps. In the conclusion, pump machinery installed needs prior hands-on skill and prior experience and knowledge. One can be professional in this field if first to get extensive knowledge and then apply the knowledge in a practical application of pumps. Feel free to contact for pumping machinery short courses on my below contact details. Thank you.